Want to experience Roblox like never before, with stunning visuals that make the game pop? Today, we're diving into how to get shaders working in Roblox, specifically for those of you with an Nvidia graphics card, transforming your gaming from basic to breathtaking. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download a shader pack. Search online for Roblox shader packs for Nvidia and choose a reputable source for downloading it. Be mindful of potential risks and only download from trustworthy websites. Next, we need to locate your Roblox installation directory. This is usually found within your Windows Explorer and generally looks like this. This PC greater than local disk C greater than program files x86 greater than Roblox greater than versions. Find the most recent version folder. Then navigate inside the client folder. Now that we're in the client folder, we're going to paste your downloaded shader files into this folder. Make sure you back up your original files first just in case anything goes wrong. Head back to your Roblox game and launch a game. Most shaders are applied automatically, adding visual enhancements like improved lighting, shadows, and overall graphics enhancement. You can customize the shader settings within the Roblox game settings. Experiment with different shader packs and settings to find which works best for your game and your preferences. That's it. Enjoy your visually upgraded Roblox experience.